Hello crafters, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for some cool, easy to make Easter decoration ideas? Then this video is for you. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 different Easter decoration ideas which I made this year. If you like my work, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. The first one is the Easter Bunny entrance decoration. To make this, we need thermocol sheets. I had some old thermocol sheets at home. Using them, I have cut out 4 equal size eggs and a bunny face on these sheets. The next step is to cover them in paper. For the bunny face, I have used kitchen paper. Then I have covered the cotton candy sticks using jute strings. If you're watching this video for the first time, please do visit my channel for other interesting decoration ideas. You can find the links in the description below. Once it is done, I have completed the bunny face using Crafts Wiggle Eyes and a glitter sticker for the nose, and finished the mouth using a sketch pen. This is how it looks once it is done. In the similar manner, I have covered the 4 eggs using newspaper, then colored each of the egg using different color. Once they are dry, I have covered the top half of the egg using the same colored glitter. Repeat the same on all the 4 eggs. This is how they look once they are done. I have then decorated the eggs further using a decor ribbon and some acrylic flowers. So dear friends, I hope you're liking my work so far. If so, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is how they look once they are done. I have used this cardboard sheet to glue the eggs and the bunny face together. I have first covered it in newspaper and colored it in blue. Once it is dry, glue the bunny face and the Easter eggs as shown here. The next step is to make it stand. For this, I have taken an old flower vase, inserted a thick block of thermocol, and covered the top with a glitter sheet. The next step is to cover the top with some fake grass and decorate with some Easter eggs. That's it. Hope you liked it. The next one is the Easter Bunny wreath. For this, I have taken a thermocol ring and wrapped jute strings around the ring. This is how it looks once it is done. Next, cut out a bunny shape using felt sheet. Having made 2 such shapes, stitch the edges as shown here. Now fill the inside of the bunny with little bit of cotton. The next step is to make some pom-poms. We can do this either by using some woolen strings or some crafts paper. That's it. Now add the pom-poms and the bunny onto the wreath. Stick them together using hot glue and further decorate using some Easter eggs. That's it. Hope you liked it. The last one are these cute little Easter egg decorations in pot. For this we need 2 equal size pots. I have covered the first one in matte blue. Once it is dry, then I have covered the corners using the same blue colored glitter. Similarly, I have colored the next pot in yellow and the border in the same yellow colored glitter. In the next step, cut out 2 thermocol blocks and insert them into the pots. Then for the trunk, I have used 2 cotton candy sticks of size 30 centimeters. Then for the crown part, I have taken couple of old newspapers and wrapped them into the shape of a ball. For hold, insert the cotton candy stick into the ball as shown here. Then I have covered the cotton candy sticks using jute strings. This is how they look once they are done. Now I have taken the paper balls which are made for the crown and covered them using green colored crepe paper. Leave it to dry. Now cover the top of the pot using green colored glitter paper. Now glue in the cotton candy sticks. Now repeat the same in the other pot. And then on top of it I have covered using green fake grass. In the same way, I have glued the fake grass also onto the crown. Now glue the crown on top of the trunk, that is the cotton candy stick. That's it. The last step is to decorate with some glitter eggs. Repeat the same on the other pot as well. That's it. Here is the final result. So dear friends, hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.